Hi guys, so today in this vlog we are going to Ikea and now we're here. Hi guys, so now we're going to, it's very bumpy here and we're just near the entrance, as you can see, entrance, and it's on to our left, and now we are going to go. Oh,
Which one?
the bear.
That's the bear you want to buy?
No, that's not a bear. That's like the same thing.
Yeah, but why is it the
No,
big
there's
jump? We just got out of the car and now we're in the mall. Now we're going to have lunch at IKEA, and after that we are going to buy things for Kuya's graduation. This side here is play area for kids, but it is with the charge. Hi guys, we're now at IKEA. Guys, look at these pretty flowers. Are they real or not? Yeah, it's in the top position. Now we are here in the IKEA restaurant. And as always, for me, I eat the kids' meal. And for my family, they eat the meatballs with mashed potato and vegetables. After paying, my dad is pushing the food cart to our table. For me, that is my meal, chicken and french fries. And that is my brother's, mother's, and dad's meal. And now it's eating time. We always love to eat here because their food are very yummy. After eating, we looked around the place and we saw different parts of IKEA that we could explore. But now we're going to find some plushies. Yeah, and he's living.
Which one you're looking, Harsha?
The big.
This one?
Big boy, yeah.
And this is a Blahaj.
Big boy. Okay.
Yes.
What do we buy first?
Both.
We buy both, or
Yeah,
we
both,
buy
both.
both or one?
Both.
Nothing.
No.
Found it.
We found both.
Yeah, this is the one.
We found both of it. Shark and bear.
Both of it.
Shark and
I did not believe this was possible. Wait.
fat bear.
See, look. This is the one. This is the one. And check.
Yeah.
And check this.
And Blahaj.
This reminds me of you.
Yeah, Blahaj. Sadly, we couldn't buy the plushies, but because we're buying things for Kuya's graduation, but maybe we are going to bring these plushies home one time. Thanks for watching. Bye.